Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this I'm going to show you how to check the total storage of Amazon. So first of all, want to open settings. After opening it, from here scrolling down, here is an option you can see here, apps. Click on that, and from here you just need to choose Amazon. And then from here scrolling down, here is the third section. You can see here usage. In that section is the third option. You can see here storage. Click on that. And here is a section you can see here space used. In that section is the last option. You can see here total, and on the right side of that you can see that how much storage that you had been used totally for Amazon. So this is how you can check the total storage of Amazon. So that's all. I hope this is helpful for you. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.